Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Vantech rear access ladder, so let's get into it. Well, one of the things I love about Vantech is the way that they package their products, and this is no exception here. This looks a lot like the way that a ladder rack is shipped. It's got the banding on here, it's stapled shut, sometimes there's tape. And as you see, as we open this, there's just gonna be plenty of dunnage to prevent things from shifting and moving around inside of the box. So it's almost like a little box inside of the box, if you will. So inside here, there's just some shredded cardboard that's gonna prevent this from sliding around because it's a little bit shorter than the actual box. So this is a universal rear access ladder. This gets mounted to the rear door on your cargo van, and it includes everything that you need to get it installed in the vehicle. So again, this is an example of great dunnage. This thing is a single unit. As it gets thrown around by FedEx or UPS, it's not gonna move and shoot through the side of the box and end up damaged. Fortunately, that's one of the plagues of our industry. Automotive parts in general just kind of get shipped and kind of tear up boxes. So as I open this, looks like we've got some various connectors and components here. We've got a hardware bag. Not sure what's in there yet. Just gonna detach. This looks like it's at the actual sides of the ladder. I've got 4 of them here. Just gonna get one of these out because it's like it's 4 of the same thing. Let's take a look here. Okay. Yep, nice little, this might be steel. This is a silver color. Looks like it's got a silver powder coat on here. There's 4 of them in here. I can't remember. I think this is the 54-inch ladder rack, but it's access ladder, but it's offered in various lengths and sizes. Actually, before I get into this, I'm going to open up this nice little box here. And here is where we have our installation instructions. Actually, this is saying it's the 72-inch, so it must be the 72-inch rear access ladder. And I believe you can get it in different colors. This is silver. I think you can also get it in white and black. And different lengths. So this is actually for a box truck, 72-inch long. We've got various hardware in here. Looks like we have different mounts that are black here. Just take a look at one of these. Okay, these look like they might be aluminum. Anodized black finish on there. And we got 4 of these. Got some other various mounting hardware and equipment. Some stainless steel bolts here. And some more various mounts in the box there. Got a bag of hardware here. Looks like we got like little rubber dipped caps that are gonna go on the top of the 2, you're gonna have your 2 sides of the ladder here. You're gonna have little black caps on the top there, and on the bottom, we do have some rubber seals. So when you're drilling, you do have to drill into the rear door of the van to install this. You're gonna make some holes. You do have some little rubber gaskets here. They're gonna prevent water from intruding inside of the van. So that's a nice little addition there. We got our side rungs. This looks like it might be our steps, actually. So, yeah, so these are the actual steps themselves. These might be aluminum, so I'm wondering if this is aluminum too, but it's just painted. What's throwing me off is the paint. So, you know, these are gonna go on the sides here. And so when I'm assuming when you buy the black, white, or silver, the steps are all gonna be black, and the sides are gonna be what changes color, because this is black steps on it. There's pre-threaded little mounting points on the ends of these. So you're gonna thread your screw through the side into here, and you're gonna make your ladder. And it looks like this is 72 inches, so there's really gonna be, with 4 of these, there's gonna be 2 sections that's gonna make your 72 inches. May vary depending on the length of ladder that you get. You also have some other little, these must be what you slide into the ends to connect 2 ladder sections together and make them 1 unit. So yeah, these are gonna go in here. You're gonna take your second set, second pull here, and you're gonna make an ultra long ladder with it. Again, you may or may not get these depending on the length of the ladder that you get. So on the 72-inch ladder, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. It looks like they're going to be about 12 inches apart. So a foot apart on the actual ladder. So this is everything that we got here. A bunch of different hardware, bags, and accessories. Our main sides of the ladder, our ladder steps, some little connectors, and everything that you need, an installation guide that makes it nice and easy. If you don't have yours, you can go to our website, put in the part number. You got an install details section where you can download that manual as well. We don't have a box truck that we're gonna install this one on, but it gives you a good idea what you get with all the different rear access ladders, no matter the length or the color. So a good representation of what you would get in one of those kits. So if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.